Here is a question. Read it carefully and think about the answer. Let us solve it step by step. Let us begin solving this step by step. Analyze compound 1 to find X, number of enantiomers. Compound 1 is 1,4-dibromo-2,3-bis bromomethyl butane. More precisely it is, the molecule drawn is 2,3-dibromo-1,4-dibromobutane, i.e. 1,2,3,4 pattern. Actually the compound is each central carbon bears CH to Br, H-Br, wedge, and the C to C bond. So the compound is meso or has a specific configuration. The structure of compound 1, C1 has groups CH to Br, H back, Br, front wedge, and C2. C2 has groups CH to Br, H back, Br, front wedge, and C1. Both stereocenters have the same arrangement of groups drawn the same way, both H on dash, both Br on wedge. Since both carbons bear identical substituents, CH to Br, H, Br, and the other chiral carbon, this is a meso compound. It has an internal plane of symmetry. A meso compound is achiral and is its own enantiomer. It has no enantiomer distinct from itself. Therefore, the number of enantiomers of the given compound is equal to 0, so X is equal to 0. Moving on to the next step. Analyze compound 2 to find Y, number of diastereomers. Compound 2, left carbon, C1, has CH3, up, H, dash back, Br, wedge front, and bond to C2. Right carbon, C2, has H, dash back, H, wedge front, CH3, down. Weight C2 has two H groups and one CH3 and bond to C1. If C2 has two H substituents, it is not a stereocenter. So C2 is CH2 effectively. But it shows H on dash and H on wedge and CH3 going down. If C2 has H, H, CH3 and C1 as 4 substituents, then to our H, C2 is not a stereocenter. Therefore compound 2 is simply 1-bromo-1-methylpropane. Actually, C1 is CHBr, CH3, connected to C2 which is CH2, CH3. That gives 2-bromobutane. 2-bromobutane has one stereocenter and exists as R and S enantiomers. The given structure is one specific enantiomer. Its enantiomer is the other. Diastereomers would be stereoisomers that are not enantiomers. With only one stereocenter, there are no diastereomers. So Y is equal to 0. And for the final step, sum X plus Y is equal to 0 plus 0 equals 0. Why other options fail? A. 1 would require X plus Y is equal to 1, but both are 0. B. 3 overcounts stereoisomers. C. 4 overcounts stereoisomers. D. 0, correct, as X is equal to 0, meso compound has no enantiomer and Y is equal to 0, only one stereocenter means no diastereomers. Therefore, the correct answer is D. Therefore, the correct answer is option D.